From the ancient farming society to the present scientific and technological era, go slowly, the vicissitudes of life, people never give up. The exploration of higher, faster and smarter manufacturing tools, a new generation of industrial revolution with digital and intelligent manufacturing as its core is surging. The booming group of thousands of little giants in China, they are all individual champions in the manufacturing sector. It will surely form a splendid new world with flowers in full bloom. This also covers DATAN CNC, which has a long history. In decades of continuous pursuit and breakthrough, the company has now grown into a small giant enterprise specializing in the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology. Hangzhou DATAN CNC. CNC specialized short message computing is to fill the gap of domestic high-end computing products. Among them, the Attribute Scheme Manufacturing Unit belongs to the leading technology of international intelligent manufacturing. It is suitable for high efficiency, high precision and high attribute machining of large key parts. It is the function result of us and workshop with the world's top 500. The second paragraph is artificial intelligence efficient computing. We have accumulated more than 50 years of technology working with academician Mei Hong of Beijing, install an intelligent brain that can think and solve problems for numerical control computing. As the frontier technology of international intelligent manufacturing, FMC Flexible Manufacturing Cell, it consists of a plurality of machining center conveying decoration and centralized control devices, can realize one-time clamping of workpieces, complete 5 faces, high efficiency, high precision and high flexibility processing. The auxiliary time of bow and arrow turning for many times and the positioning error of armor for many times are eliminated. Suitable for workpieces of various specifications, it breaks through 2 key technologies: activation of functional components of various machining centers and flexible configuration in 3-dimensional space. Has made great contributions to flexible compound machining of large key parts, effectively filled the domestic gap. Not only that, on the basis of developing high rigidity, high torque and high efficiency machine tools, the first CNC cutting database of machine tools, artificial intelligence adaptive high efficiency cutting technology. The forming of intelligent high efficiency small gantry and intelligent high efficiency vertical machining center can improve the machining efficiency by more than 30% compared with similar machine tools. Improve the machining efficiency of the machine tool, the processing cost of products is effectively reduced. At the same time, through unremitting efforts, at present, the processing efficiency of the 5-sided composite flexible unit of large water pump developed by DATAN CNC is 26 hours, shorten it to 6 hours. The processing efficiency of the 3-sided load flexible manufacturing unit of the large-scale marine windlass gearbox is 32 hours, shortened to more than 7 hours. The flexible manufacturing unit developed by DATAN CNC is synchronized with the cutting-edge technology of international machine tools. It is to improve the processing efficiency of new production organization form and new manufacturing equipment by 4 to 5 times compared with traditional machine tools. IT indicates that China's flexible composite manufacturing cell is catching up with the international advanced intelligent manufacturing technology. Along the way, DATAN CNC has always been committed to giving full play to its high-tech advantages, provide efficient and intelligent services for customers and partners. When the times innovate. To strengthen cooperation with Siemens Motor, one of the world's top 500 companies, research and develop flexible motor seats, and work with Bosch Electric, one of the world's largest companies, research and develop a high-quality cemented carbide bit. Our goal is to provide flexible composite machining centers for China's military, provide efficient machine tools for small and medium-sized businesses to improve quality. In production, the company actively adopts the advanced system of ISO 900-400-400 with advanced EU safety standards. To this day, the company has obtained nearly 100 patents for inventions and utility models, and has undertaken a number of National Innovation Fund projects, Torch Plan projects, major special projects in Zhejiang Province and Hangzhou City, and has grown into a small giant enterprise in subdivided fields. It has injected a steady stream of development momentum into the future development of DATAN CNC. As for the future development of DATAN, first of all, we must make the flexible composite and efficient intelligent machine tool technology reach the world-leading position. Knee entrance solves the problem of neck sticking. Second, in the industrial chain of product research and development, production matching and user application to form a new type of economic union. This way, we can provide better machine tools and services to users. Third, we also have plans to go public. To provide a better entrepreneurial platform for the younger generation of management cadres and technical backbones. At the same time, I hope that with the power of capital, accelerate the development of new products and technologies, contribute more strength to China's manufacturing industry. Choose Big Day numerical control, let you get higher, faster, and smarter happiness and effect.